In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get beta version Stumble Guys on PC Steam. If you are curious about upcoming features or want to help test updates before they're officially released, the beta branch is the way to go. Just keep in mind that beta builds can be a little less stable than the regular version, so expect occasional bugs or performance quirks. With that said, I'll walk you through the process clearly and quickly. First, open the Steam app on your PC and head to your library. You can get there from the top navigation or by clicking Library on the left sidebar. This is where all your games are listed. Make sure you are signed in to the account where you own Stumble Guys so it shows up in the list. Next, find Stumble Guys in your library. If you have a lot of games, use the search bar at the top of the library to type the name and locate it faster. Once you see it, right-click the game title and choose Properties from the menu. This opens the settings window specifically for Stumble Guys. In the Properties window, look at the left-hand menu and click on Betas. This is the section that controls which version of the game your Steam client will install. On the right, you'll see a drop-down labeled Beta Participation. Click that drop-down and select the available beta option. For example, something like Open Beta. If you see more than one beta, pick the one that matches the public testing branch. You usually won't need any code for public betas. As soon as you choose the beta, you can close the Properties window. Steam will automatically start downloading the update needed to switch your game to the beta version. You'll typically see this as an update queued in the lower area of Steam where downloads are shown. Or you can click the Download section to watch the progress. The size of the download can vary, so make sure you've got enough disk space and a stable internet connection. Once the download completes, Stumble Guys in your library will be on the beta branch. When you click play, you'll be launching the beta version. If you ever notice unexpected behavior, that's normal for a test build. And it's a great idea to share constructive feedback through the game's community hub so the developers can improve it. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.